what up, Knott's Network? Today is the first day of Knott's Merry Farm, and we are here. It is bright and early, 9:45. Park opens officially in 15 minutes. We are making our way to the front gate. Actually, no, we're going to Virginia's first to get Spirit jerseys.
Yes, I'm cold.
Yeah, we're cold. It's a chilly, gloomy day if you can't tell, but yeah, it's all good. Enjoy our journey on the first day of Merry Farm. First things first, we're getting Spiritified. Spiritified. We got them on, our Spirit jerseys. Now we're gonna make our way to the front gate and get our Merry on.
It's a Santa Wampus. Look at all these Snoopies. I love Nashmere from. How about I love Snoopy? Look at all the Snoopies. He's so cute. I've been good-ish this year.
So the Ghost Town Gold Trails Hotel reopened, and it's a winter wonderland. It's filled with all things Merry Farm, Christmassy, and all kinds of stuff. Look at these socks. Cool.
All the vendors are out. Look at these ornaments. Oh my goodness. Look at all these happy snowmen. Yes. Llamas. It's so cute to see all the vendors out. The dress shop is open. See what's going on in here. Look at all these candles. More vendors. Ghost Town Grill looks so pretty. Look at all those flowers. More artistry. Look at that. And jewelry. If you approach Tim or I, you get a button. I wonder where Tim is going. Tim! Behave. Don't go backstage. Don't go backstage. Ooh. Scary farm. I think I came through the exit.
Have very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it grows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. You go down in his storm. gave you my heart, but the very next day, you said I'll give it to someone, I'll give it to someone special, special. Last Christmas.
I love the flower arrangements. Where is Mary going? She's running away.
You guys, this is me. This is me, dead but festive. Look at these cute decorations the bottle house has. Look at these trees. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. The cactus. The cactus is festive. Okay, we got more vendors, you guys. We got roasted nuts. Oh, these are my favorite right here. I think I need one of these. Festive, but dead. So it's so cute. They got little skeletons. They got teacups. They got Hanukkah cards. Yeah, and other cute stuff. And then we got soaps here. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, look at, they got Christmas tree soaps. They got candy cane soaps. They got bell soaps. I like these snowflake soaps. They look so cool. What's the scent for the snowflakes? Peppermint snowflakes. Ah, it's too much. I love it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, look at these little duckies. Rubber ducky. Huh?
It smells like birthday.
Birthday cake duckies. I love it. Birthday cake ducky soaps. Those are so cute. And then we got, we got the little hats. And then we got the little bags and big bags. And there's more. And there's Tim. Okay, let's see what's over here. It looks like, artisanal chocolate.
Yes, we got some cheese chocolates going on. These are 75% cacao, and we've got different kinds of varieties. So this is moringa, which is actually a superfood, mixed in with some maple toffee. We've got lemon, coconut, and tulsi, and then black lava. Our black lava actually comes from Hawaii. And then over here, we've the beautiful thing about our chocolates is that they smell the exact same way they taste. So if you want to smell that rose cardamom, yeah. It smells just like how our chocolates taste with the goody sweetness.
Mm-hmm.
And then,
ooh, orange chocolate.
please, yeah, go ahead and smell that. You can smell the orange, and we've got puffed quinoas.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
Yeah.
I love lavender. Lavender's
Yeah,
good
you
stuff.
can smell that too. Go ahead, you can smell the lavender.
Oh, that smells good. Peppermint and lavender is such a good mix.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. And then we've got some dark chocolate and drinking hot chocolate, which is dark. And what you can do is actually make it really decadent just by adding milk to it and just whisking it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
How much is a bar?
A bar is $8, all of them.
Oh, cool. Thank
Yeah,
you.
Of course.
Okay, Tim has ran away. He is like, no chocolate. I want all the chocolate. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, monkey. The monkey. He's so cute, little monkey. More hats, and then it's Miss Doolittle's. She's got the cute owl hat. She's got all the trees. I love Miss Doolittle's. Look at those candy canes. Make your own slime. And then here she is, the woman of the hour, Miss Doolittle. How are you, baby? Cozies, bozies, treesies. Are these wax melts? Hold on. Potpourri pie. Place pie on warm stove top burner. Potpourri oil. Wait a minute. Oh, they're potpourris. Candle warmer.
Keep it back here.
I kind of smell good. The potpourris.
Potpourri pies. And
Are
then
they
the
all?
fruits.
That looks
So
like a melt.
This kind of heats it up.
Oh, it heats it up.
And then this is what you use for your wax.
Oh.
So you just set it on top, and then that brings out the scent.
Oh, wow. Yes, please. Oh, that smells so good! It smells like the holidays.
Add potpourri oil to the holes in the pie to refreshen it, and then you can just use it over and over.
Wow.
And then whatever fruit's on top is the center of the pie.
Wow, thank you. Look at it, there's so many different potpourri pies. So cute. And then there's the pine cones. I love it. Look at these stuffed animals. Ah, so pretty. Sound check. They're getting ready. Mary Farm merch here. Ornaments. Bags. These are sweaters. Jacket.
I don't know if I call this a sweater. It's very thin.
Super thin, like a shirt.
Paintball. Like a paintball jersey.
Paintball jersey. And a jacket. And then we got more vendors. Honey, honey. We got honey, honey. Oh, you thrill my honey, honey. Looks like we got tea here. And food. Look at that snowman tree. That's so cute. And then we got hats. Good morning. And then we got jewelry. And of course, at the Birdcage Theater, we got a Christmas Carol. And then Marley's Wings at 2:15 and 5:45.
Marley's Wings is a new show. It used to be the Kid with the Magic.
Oh. Live Beehive. Oh. That's so cool. And then we got the glass blower. And there's Crystal.
That was a nice Christmas.
That was really Christmas. It was really good, yeah. That's good for me.
Glass blower demonstration here. You can see. And then we got his booth here. Ornaments. Then we got art. Look at that spooky wreath. I love a spooky wreath. Got art. So good. Hey! And then we got handmade soap. I love it. More Tuckies. The dogs crack me up, you guys. Lip balms and all that jazz. And then we got a jeweler here. Good morning. Look at that. Look at, it's the tree, guys. So pretty. Look, Engine 340 is ready to make its rounds for today. Look, they got a reef in front of Engine 340. Look at that reef. Love that reef. And then we got the bandits. They're out causing trouble. Look at, there's trouble over there. Look at those troubles. It's Calico Mine Ride time. All right. It's festive. The train's got a reef on it. That's right. It does.
skipped going on the mine ride because it's only running one train ride. We want to look at stuff.
Yeah.
Everybody else is too. People are already lining up.
Look at that. Panda Express. Can't beat that happy panda. He's a happy panda. Look at him. He's so cute. Log ride hootenanny tonight. Look it's still got evil eyes. I love it. I stand. Yes, evil eyes. Spooky eyes. Look at sweaters. It's calling Tim's name. You got Christmas sweater photo ops. So cute. There's Tim. Hashtag Merry Farm. So cute.
So you guys, look at that Xcelerator repaint update.
Looks like Xcelerator is not open, but they are test running it.
Oh yeah, it should open up later.
But Knott, where are you?
Xcelerator turns 20 years old next year, you guys. Looks like this is a birthday present, a repaint. I'm told these are the original colors. I don't remember what they look like, and I'm thinking to myself, wow, the sun made that red turn into that pink? That's crazy. 20 years.
The power of the sun.
The ride's closed right now. We'll try to get a closer look later. But you can hear it running.
It's a good day.
Can you hear the train?
The bees are working on those flowers, pollinating. Working bees.
We are going on hang time. Now I get to see what Mary's thoughts are like about the difference between a B&M dive machine and a Gushheiser dive coaster. Gushheiser. I think I'm saying the brand right. Whee! Exciting! Here we come.
Look, red and green lights.
Ooh, red and green lights. Can't wait to check this guy out at night. Look like they're finished decorating the fountain.
Ready for Snoopy Dash. Merry Christmas, Snoopies. Merry Christmas, Snoopy. And there's a digital sign. Looks like it's every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at 1:30, 3:30, 5:30, and 7:30. Now, heads up, guys, because of the state of California requires all performances in the Walter Knott Theater to have restricted capacity because there's restricted seating for Merry Christmas Snoopy. Seating is not guaranteed. Your entire party must be together before entering the queue for the theater. Once capacity is reached, there can be no further admittance to the theater. Oh, look, it's the carolers. Guys, we're here for Santa's cabin. Moment of truth. Oh yes, because the Santa's spider webs are still there. They're still there?
No, they're clear.
Oh no! Oh, look at this. I like this. Look at that. We're going into Santa's cabin. Ugh. I walk in here and I'm hit with the smell of the pine. Oh, I see the Snoopy. I see the Snoopy. You see the Snoopy. Hi, Santa Snoopy. Oh, look at him. You're so cute. He's so cute. He's so adorable. I can't even with how adorable he is. He's so cute. Oh, he's so. Oh, I love you, Santa Snoopy. He's so cute. The bears. Oh, look at that. Big old chainsaw. Big old chainsaw.
They cuts it like butter.
about a virgin on my mind.
Sweater for two.
Xcelerator is now open. Look at that.
Get your Xcelerator rides in now before the shutdown for painting. We are at the Boardwalk Barbecue. Mary's gonna try that classic turkey sandwich with all the fixins, or trimmings, I mean. I literally would love those meatballs again. So good. But I kind of want to try something different. Merry Christmas sushi roll.
I wonder what's in there.
Mac and cheese. Num 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 num. Look at those meatballs. Those are my favorite. Look, they don't skimp too. Look, they give you like 12 of them. Okay, we got the turkey sandwiches from the Boardwalk Barbecue. We're excited to dig in. We got a view of Xcelerator. It's a nice day. The park isn't super crowded yet, but I'm sure that will change later. And we're gonna dig in. Basketballs are decorated like ornaments, guys. That's hilarious. Xcelerator's going. Whee! Ooh, it looks like we got a pretzel stand. Alright, I'm gonna go in there and get a process on the paint job. You can see the old supports are chipping away. So let's get in here and get another look at the paint job, a closer look. Primage. Some primage on the support right here. I don't know if they've started to paint the supports yet. I can't tell, but you can totally tell over here they got some primage going on at spots. Looks like they're just spot checking. Not a ride you want to go on after you eat. Anyways, it looks like as far as the support goes, they're not going crazy and doing lots of primage like they have to over here, because the tracks need a lot more of a hug. Close look at that primer. They don't want us to go this way. So yeah, you can see right there some spots. Spot treated before they get ready to paint.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a few spots that they've treated on the supports. So cool. It doesn't look like much has changed since we've been here though. We were only here a few days ago, so. But it looks like they've done some more work, definitely. Definitely have done some more work. It's really cool to see Xcelerator get some love. Alright, we're gonna make our way towards the Walter Knott Theater to check out Snoopy on Ice. It's been a long time since we've seen that beagle on ice.
Yeah.
Mary's getting in on that photo op action. She can barely. The ice show line is formed. One more. Thank you. We are super excited to get back inside the theater. They are now calling it the Walter Knott Theater. This theater has gone through quite a few name changes over the years it's been around.
Your entire party must be together before entering the theater. If your entire party is not together, you'll be asked.
We are inside the Walter Knott Theater. There's a glare behind us because that's where they let us in. But check it out. Flip the camera.
We're inside for Merry Christmas, Snoopy.
We can't film during the show, but I take some cool pictures you guys can check out later. But holy cow, you guys, look at how close my knees are to the... This row is for like the skinny people only, apparently.
Or tiny people.
Or tiny. Look at, even Mary, yeah, she's tiny. Just got done watching Merry Christmas Snoopy on Ice. I'm waiting for Mary, she's in the bathroom. But look at the theater lobby, how old school it is. But yeah, what a cool old little theater lobby. Let's flip the camera so you can see it better. Just waiting for Mary. Is that Mary? There Mary is. We're the last ones in here. It's all good.
It's him to read his text messages.
Yeah. I was just making sure you were in there, though. I'm like, we're literally the last ones leaving. There's a coyote. He's got a Christmas scarf on. Look at him. Look at him. Check out these toy soldiers.
You two look awfully familiar. You were there a year ago.
Yes.
You are some of the exclusive hosts who did get to attend the Taste of Many Farms, isn't it?
Many.
The network folks.
Yes,
is
the
it?
network.
The Knott's Network.
Yes.
It's the Knott's Network. Second Lieutenant Anderson reporting for duty, my friends. May I introduce our newest addition to the Merriman Patrol?
Yes.
This is Private C.H. Money Monkey.
CH.
You guys look dapper.
Thank you, standard issue uniform. You look amazing. Thank you. You look so fantastic. Did you want a photo together?
Yes. We're gonna go see Santa.
Ebenezer Scrooge. Oh, that's a nice turn. Wait for barkeep. Mary's gonna get herself a drink.
So what'd you get again, Mary?
I got a Mary Berry sparkler.
This thing has been acting up on us lately, our camera. Yeah, she likes saying it too. Our camera's been acting up lately. We're probably gonna have to send it back to DJI.
Straight up cranberries in it.
Nice. Is it yummy, Mary? Is it yummy?
Yes.
All right, we are gonna make our way towards Camp Snoopy.
So you can guide your way past all the holiday trappings and get to the heart of what the season really means to each of us. It's to prove once and for all that Christmas isn't just about the gifts that you get and give, but about the joy and love in our hearts for our family and friends.
Christmas is almost here. The days are near. Christmas is almost
The key to starting the holidays off right is crafting the perfect letter to Santa.
Dear Santa, I'm not.
Save all that sappy stuff for another holiday. I only have one thing on.
Chapter 2. But remember, dear reader, and you too, Lucy, the holidays aren't about getting the
Give me lots of Christmas presents. And what did he say? He said if you really liked me, you wouldn't expect presents. Either way, I end up not getting any presents. Oh, my sweet Babu, I don't
Do you know who else really loves a sleigh ride?
Who?
Oh, you gotta ask.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'll tell you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming. With little toy drums and little tenor horns that rooty toot toot and parappa pum pum. Curly haired dolls that doodle and coo. Elephants, boats, and kitty cars too. Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming.
That's not what you meant.
You know what? I did hear my favorite. Rudolph. Rudolph. That's Rudolph is the best right here. Stop it. You go. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you never saw it, you really better do. All of the other reindeer used to like to call me man. Don't let any reindeer games.
Then one morning, Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, walk with the lead, help us see where we need to be, and then all the reindeer loved him and shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Three cheers for Rudolph, hey, 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 yes,
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Knott
Knott's Merry Farm is proud to present the Sleigh Bells.
No. That's okay.
Because her
Spirit of Christmas always and forever shine brightly in our hearts.
They're the toy soldiers. They're having fun. Hi! We are entering Boot Hill Diggins.
Look at this tombstone is all lit up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at this.
And there's snow.
Remember the little thing they did here
The
last year?
projections, yes. I love the lighting that they do here in Boot Hill. Ebenezer Scrooge. Whoa, molten hot.
That is like beyond
Piping hot. That's so cool. Oh, look at that. And he dips it in powder. The more you know. And look how hot it is, you guys. Dips it in the powder. Where does he take it now? Oh, to the more molten hot. Spins it in the molten hot. Right there. Takes it out of the molten hot. Brings it back over here. Puts another powder. Yeah.
Like that one right there.
So crazy. It's Thanksgiving dinner. It's Thanksgiving dinner.
Those sandwiches we had earlier were literally everything.
Thanksgiving dinner in a bun.
Like they even had cranberry sauce.
Everything. They had everything.
Pumpkins are, at least this one lit up. Some of
Look at that baby. Look at that baby. Boysenberry cocoa, you guys. Look at this boysenberry cocoa. And then you could get your Christmas jam. Get your jam on. Boysenberry jam. Preserves. And then look at this little gift set. I love it. It has all the good stuff. Pancake mix. Boysenberry. Oh, boysenberry syrup, red raspberry, and biscuits. Oh, this is like 100% perfection right here. This is me. Raspberry and boysenberry and pancakes, all that. Yes. Spiced gingerbread, spices, Yuletide tradition, gingerbread cookie mix, and then the little gingerbread guys on the cups, and then there's the spirit jerseys. This is the gingerbread one. Tim and I have the snowman and Santa Claus one on right now. Where did Tim go? I lost Tim. I have no clue where he went. Tim! Tim, where'd you go? Tim! I don't know where Tim went. He abandoned me. Oh, there he is. Well, usually Tim and I both have buttons.
We try to keep them.
We try to keep. So feel free to say hey to us, and I want a button. We'll give you a button. If we have buttons. Yes. Look at him. He's got a scarf and everything. Hey guys, for those of you asking about sugar-free boysenberry punch here at the Coca-Cola refresh station in Fiesta Village right next to Supreme Screen, it's right here. Sugar-free berry punch. All right. What do you think about that, Tim?
Yeah, but I need sugar.
to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
The snow and glow still doesn't disappoint. Wow! He's to not very. Thank you. Alright guys, that's gonna end our vlog, our Merry Farm vlog. It was a long day.
Yes, it was.
Guys, I don't know if you can see it from here. Let's see. They have the K. No, you can't see. It's too far away. But the K is all lit up like Christmassy, red and green. So yeah, thanks so much for joining us on our journey. We got other videos to come along this nice holiday season.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, I'm Tim.
And I'm Mary.
Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and also hit that bell so you get notified every time we post a new video. And a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom and Albert.
Yeah.
See you next time, guys.